fit and fun. So students, today we are going to start up a new unit in our English literature subject. We are going to do unit 4 and in that we will start with poem 1. So what is the name of the poem? Why. What do you mean by why? Why का मतलब क्या होता है? Why का मतलब होता है क्यों. Students, when we are so young, जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा छोटे होते हैं तब हमें काफ़ी we are so curious to know about each and everything. Why this is happening? Why it's raining? Why the sun rise? Why only sun gives us heat? Why does sun not blow wind? So we always are so curious to know why. What is the reason behind everything? Even this is very good habit. You should build this habit. You must know reason behind each and everything. Why this is happening. So if you don't have this habit of knowing why, you must arise this habit. And one more thing, as much I know, humans are most curious animal in this world. सबसे ज़्यादा human को ही होता है जानने का reason. Why is this happening? So if you don't have this habit, build in it yourself. So let's start poem 1. क्यों? I know a curious little boy. Your poet is telling मैं एक curious little boy को जानता हूँ. What do you mean by curious? Curious मतलब a person who is very eager to know something. A person who is very eager to learn something. उत्सुकता जिसे कहते हैं हम हिंदी में. So here a person, a little boy is very curious. Poet is telling, I know a little boy who is very curious, who is very eager to know each and everything, who is always asking why. वो हमेशा, the little boy always used to ask why. क्यों? Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by the by? That little boy always used to ask, ये क्यों है? वो क्यों नहीं है? ये कैसा है? Always, हमेशा उसके मुंह में एक रहता है एक question, that is why everything is happening. So as I told, this is good habit. So I think so this boy is having very good habit of knowing each and everything. Alright students, now let's move to our second paragraph. Let's see here what the little boy wants to know. He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sing, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. Here the little boy wants to know, if we put wood, what do you mean by wood? लकड़े का एक टुकड़ा हम डाल देते हैं. We are putting a piece of wood into the water. Why it swim? क्यों float करता है पानी में? Why it doesn't sink? वो डूबता क्यों नहीं है? The boy wants to know the reason behind this thing. Why if we are putting wood into the water, it floats, it swims. What is the reason behind it, students? Do you know the reason? Because of less dense. Wood has less dense than water. That is the reason why it floats into water, not sink. Why lead and marble sink? Here in second line, the child wants, the little boy wants to know as wood swim. But what is the reason that marble and lead sink? जो lead होती है और वो marble होता है, वो क्यों डूब जाता है पानी में? वो क्यों नहीं तैरता wood के जैसे पानी में? What is their reason? Because of more dense. Lead and marble have more dense than water, and this is the reason it sink into the water, not float. Why sun should shine and wind should blow? Here the little boy wants to know, सूरज सिर्फ चमकता ही क्यों है, हमें सिर्फ हीट ही क्यों नहीं देता है, क्यों वो ब्लो नहीं, विंड क्यों नहीं ब्लो करता सन, क्यों सिर्फ हमें हीट और शाइन करता है सन. The little boy wants to know the reason behind this thing. Why wind should blow? क्यों हवाएं चलती हैं, क्यों हवाएं हीट नहीं देती हमें? What is the reason? And why we eat and drink? In the fourth line, poet wants to know the reason. हम क्यों खाते हैं, हम क्यों पीते हैं? What is the reason behind it? We eat and drink to survive. If we don't eat and drink, we cannot survive. So, hopefully you understood the second paragraph. कितना सारा why पूछते हैं that little boy. It's time for third paragraph. Let's read it, students. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky. Why sinks the sun behind the hills, and why the flowers die. So in this paragraph, the little boy wants to know the reason. What makes clouds? Clouds को कौन बनाता है? कैसे clouds बनते हैं? And why they cross the sky? और वो sky में क्यों टहलते हैं? Clouds क्यों sky में चलते हैं, तैरते हैं? Why sinks the sun behind the hills? Sun क्यों डूबता है hills के पीछे? Sun क्यों set होता है hills के पीछे? Why sun sets behind the hill, not front the hills? And why the flowers die? Here in this line, the little boy wants to know the reason why flowers die. Flowers क्यों मुरझाते हैं? Hopefully you understood this paragraph, students. In this paragraph, the little boy wants to know the reason, what makes the clouds. The little boy wants to know the reason why clouds cross the sky. What is the reason behind flowers die? What is the reason why only sun hide behind the hills? Why it not set in front of hills? What is the reason behind all these things? Students, it's time for our last paragraph, that is fourth paragraph. Let's read it first. Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. Others, no one ever yet has found the reason why. So here, what the poet is telling, some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. इनमें से कुछ सवालों के जवाब हमें पता होते हैं. We can easily answer. We know the reason why this thing is happening, and we can easily tell to anyone if they ask. No one ever yet has found the reason why. And other questions, that answer might be you also don't have. No one knows the answer. Might be of some questions why this thing is happening. Of these answers, question of these answers, no one knows. Why? Because no one tried to find out answers. किसी ने कोशिश ही नहीं करी आंसर्स पता करने की कुछ सवालों के. So this is the poem. Hopefully you enjoyed. As I already told you, student, if you don't have habit of asking why, you should arise this habit in yourself. You must know why this thing is happening. You must know ये सन क्यों उगा है, क्यों डला है, कहाँ डला है. You must know the answers of all these things, students. So goodbye. Ask why from your parents, from your teacher. Build this habit in yourself. Take care of yourself and have a nice day.